We've just been looking for homes that have potential in terms of like, they already have character to them, but like they can use a little bit of a zhuzhing, basically. We bought that home thinking like it has great bones. We just were sold when we opened the doors to the backyard, heard the water fountain. We were like, oh, we're just doing a little renovation, little update. Turned into, we gutted the whole thing, made it our own. It was a challenging but also very great learning experience for the both of us, juggling that with a newborn at the time. And then we hit 3 years.
Yeah, honestly, we were just trying to initially test the market.
And like if it doesn't sell, it's fine. We love the house anyway, right? But if we sell it, we want to make sure that it goes to someone who really loves it and lives in it the way we built it. I mean, her name is everywhere in Pasadena, so it's hard not to know who Eva is if you're interested in real estate at all here.
First meeting with Eva, who came into our house, I think she was just really excited and really saw the work that we had put in. The first impression that she got was, you guys have done a really, really good job with the house. And so we decided to take the chance, given just the work that we've done. We put the house on the market right before Thanksgiving. Generally speaking, not the most ideal timing. And we had discussed, hey, should we wait? And I think Eva's advice was, no, let's go for it. You have the house to do it. Eva just instilled a lot of confidence in her ability to actually sell the home.
We had told Eva beforehand, we're like, we are not gonna negotiate down from our goal price. This is personal for us, it's our home, and like we know the blood, sweat, and tears that, well, not blood, but sweat that went into this.
Having sold homes before, this was as stress-free as possible. We were literally out of the country for a period of time. And so Eva and the team handled all of those logistics while we were away.
She had people come in to stage the home, to refill the flyers, wipe down the for sale sign.
Even having to deal with it from a couple thousand miles away, it felt very, very stress-free and seamless.
We did get a lot of people coming to visit the home.
We had a variety of offers that came in.
And we landed above what we were asking. We had a very short escrow. It got to that point that we were like, I guess we need to figure out where we're gonna move in 20-something days. We started looking more seriously and actually like getting introduced to Angel. But Angel was mostly helping us to go see open homes. Like I'd share her homes that I want to see. So the group chat was literally Angel, Eva, and us two.
We really just wanted to, lean on Eva's expertise, even in the home buying process. She really made herself available.
There was a home, not the one we bought, that we were like, we really want this home. And Eva, she was like, this is the price you would need to get in at, which is higher than we wanted to be at. But also knowing what you guys want to do, which is like gut and revive a home and make it your own. You're gonna put in a lot of money to make it your own and you're not gonna get that value out of it. That is the agent I'm looking for that will be super honest with me, understands my vision, my motivations. And I'm happy that she had that conversation with us because I felt like she really understood us and took us seriously and personally.
Where we ended up buying is in Bean Tract in Alhambra. This is a home that Eva had found.
It hit a lot of our non-negotiables. So it was like still very competitive. I had to have a call with Eva and Eva was like, unlike the other home, I see potential for what you're trying to do. But it felt like she came alongside us as a business partner. Like she was invested in our family's vision for the next space that we would call home. We're doing renovations now.
Taking it down to the studs and doing some rearrangement to some of the existing walls.
That's kind of been our thing. It's like he has a vision for it. Like he'll like put it on the computer and like, oh, we could do X, Y, Z. This is how we add value. Building the next home that we love. There's just a lot of opportunity for that. And Eva sold us a home that matched the vision that we had. It just felt like getting to work with someone who really knew you.